poisonous like hip cancers. I sip lances, we drink the pain away.
I think we're the only guys in the world that bring dirt bikes to car shows, and then it'll just be like fireball, fireball, fireball.
The more fireballs in different places, the better.
The better life goes, you know?
You see it. Come on. Come on. All
right, guys, welcome to Summer Vibes 2022. This is, I think, our 4th Summer Vibes ever, and the first time we've had our booth. So we ended up just renting the whole darn street. We got 6 cars out here, 2 dirt bikes, a tent, merch for the first time in years. So appreciative of everyone who's already stopped by. Let's go take a quick look at the cars that we brought. So obviously we had to bring the G out here today. It's not running yet, but you know a lot of the fab work is done, so we had Jeff come out and kill it. It just looks so good, dude. Everyone's loving it so far. Shaved the bay, we got all that work done, so it's looking really sick. Oh my God. We got our boy Mac down from Boston, dude. That's my bad shoulder.
Oh, sorry.
Should have been wearing a sling. Should have been wearing a damn sling. But yeah, we're giving away a bunch of sick sticker packs today, so for anybody who wants them, come and get them. Let's go take a look at some of the other cars. We got Jim's Haku right here, dude. Clean unit. Bev's put the decals on it last night. Shit looks sick. A little satin white on the gloss Mazda red. Not a bad choice, not a bad choice. Here we got Stevie's R32. It's a 2.8 liter stroker. That thing's a gangster, dude. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is Daniel's speaker and it's really loud. We even brought the wrap program, so if people want to kind of test out colors on their vehicle, they can do it. We even brought the dirt scooters, man. Mason's fresh unit, looking so good. My unit, bent to hell. So we got Ben's car out here, a Fire C6, fully built, cammed out, sounds like God himself. Friggin' Ethan's piece of junk Subaru wagon, stock head gaskets, looks killer. And then as always, we went ahead and brought the camera car out here. People got a kick out of it last year, so we figured, you know what, let's bring it again this year. But enough jibber jabber, let's check out a little bit from the rest of the show. See ya.
See, at times I'll recline way back, puff stacks with relation.
Jason, help me out over here. Help me out, grab a throttle. Love it. We're gonna need rebuilds here in a minute. Yeah, we're gonna need to rebuild both these bikes, man. On the red line. Spider-Man's right here. What's up? Here right now with my man Roscoe. He's the guy that organizes and produces the entirety of Summer Vibes with him and his epic team.
Thank you, bro.
Couldn't be more grateful. We were gifted a 6th spot. We got a street down the end. Got the whole block. We got 6 cars out there. Kind of let us do whatever the hell we wanted. But yeah, this is our 4th year here with Roscoe. First time with a booth. Last year we came a little bit light, brought the cam car and a tent, but this year we tried to snap. So Roscoe gave us a green light on basically everything, so shout out to Roscoe.
Thank you, brother.
You're my boy, bro. Put on another sick show.
Thank you, thank you.
We're gonna keep walking around having a good day.
Yo, enjoy.
Right,
Y'all halfway peoples.
they're my boys.
I advise you not to try this. SS. Shabazz D. Sinister V's. Sinister Voices.
We got another local Sarasota group out here, Static Vision. If you guys don't follow them, they do some sick work with a lot of stance cars, bag cars, things like that. But yeah, they're killing it. Glad to see a booth out here. Let's see what else is going on.
They choose to break the rules at all costs. Stick them in Jersey. Hit the other side to New York. Black and red.
So yeah, if you guys have never been to Summer Vibes in Ybor before, it's pretty sick. They got all of 7th Street completely blocked off. You know, there's all types of cars. We tried to bring out some of like hybrid between function and form, a little bit of performance, and there's just everything here. There's full stance cars. So you got a Supra here, Honda Civic, dude. The street that we rented out is actually at the end of the block this year. I'm trying to think of, hey dude. But yeah, I'm trying to think, maybe some of these side streets for next year might work out sick. Nice Project Priime on that car, on the back. Damn, look at the bikes, dude. Whole squad. I think the best part about this event for us is that it is just different than what we normally do. You know, do a lot of racing, drag racing stuff, so this is cool to just come out, relax, have a little booth space, kind of show people who we are, what we do, and just relax. I don't have to film, really. Hey, look at this one. This is Tristan's car. Andis, what's happening?
What's up, guys? Chilling.
This was the other street that was up for grabs, but we could only put cars on one side of the road.
Oh, that's a bad one. How you feeling,
Okay. Jeff's out here. He brought the Z3. Y'all have seen it before. Are you gonna two-step?
You want it?
I want it.
Let's do it.
You wanna go do it right now?
Let's go do it right now.
Let's go do it right now. Let's go.
Remember last year?
Oh, I do.
How crazy it was?
Yeah, your foot got stuck on the throttle.
Yeah, literally, it couldn't come
I
off.
was like, Jeff, you're like, yeah, it's glued to the floor. We don't actually have to two-step.
No, we're actually going to come on. I just got a new two and also.
Yeah, flames. Getting hot out here, we got a couple hours left. Might even put the dirt bikes back on the limiter. You never know.
Maybe.
Did you hear us put them on the limiter?
You what?
We were putting both dirt bikes on the limiter.
Were you?
Yeah.
No way. Sick, right? You like it?
Oh, I love it.
Get the Snapchat, get the IG, get the TikTok. I know how it is. No two-stepping, all right? Levi will put you down. That's illegal too, isn't that?
All right, guys, so that does it for Summer VIbes 2022 here with Project Priime. We're taking up all the decals. We're gonna get all the cars back on the trailer. You've gotta be on the trailer. We're gonna go put the dirt bikes back, basically clean up the entire street. Left it like we were never here. Shout out to everybody that came to the street, showed us love. For those that got the sticker packs, enjoy those. Once again, shout out to ILDS and Roscoe. We had a really good time this weekend, so thank you guys. See ya.
The kicks, blitz, mix the batter. Add a drama, honor the dawn scatter. MCs, they gon'